How to transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you the easiest way to move everyone over using an invite link. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. From there, open the new group you want to transfer members to. After that, tap the group name at the top to open the group info page. At this point, scroll down and tap Invite via Link. From here, tap Copy Link to copy the group invite link to your clipboard. Following this, go back to your old group and paste the link into the chat so all existing members can see it. After that, members can simply tap the link and join the new group directly without you having to add each person one by one, without having to add each person one by one. Finally, keep in mind that anyone with the link will be able to join, so if you want to reset it after everyone has joined, just go back to Invite via Link and tap Reset Link to stop the old link from working. That's how you transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.